cats, the sound of short A. It's a nice looking cat. Has green eyes, cute little nose. See the cat in the hat. There it is. Looks like a little small cat called a kitten. Cat. And there's the hat. Cat, hat. See the cat on the mat. Oh, look at that. He looks like he's saying meow. Look, there's the cat, and there's the mat. See the cat in a lap. Wow, see there? The cat's laying on someone's lap. Has his hand on him, patting the cat. Pretty black and white cat. So see, there's the cat, and there's the lap. See the cat have a nap. Look at that. He's sleeping as his eyes closed. See the cat taking a nap. See the cat in a jam. There's a cat, and he's in the jam. Why do you think he's in the jam? He's got himself all twisted up with the red garland, doesn't he? See the cat play with Pam. There's a cat. See what they're doing? They're going to touch hands. And her name is Pam. It's a cat, and there's Pam. See the cat on her back. Looks totally content laying there, eyes closed, probably purring. So there's the cat on her back. See the cat play with Jack. Look at that. They're touching foreheads. There's the cat. There's Jack. See the cat give a tug. What does he have in his paw? String. This is all string. He's tugging it with his paw. There's the cat. Give a tug. See the cat, see the cat hide under the rug. How did he get in there? So there's the cat. There's the rug. Word list. We said back, cat, hat, have, Jack, jam, lap, mat, nap, Pam. Hope you enjoyed the sound of a short A. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.